LaserLinc is committed to improving the wire and cable manufacturing process. We are a 100% US-owned company offering laser and ultrasonic-based measurement technologies. With over 25 years of experience, LaserLinc combines customer-focused in-process and offline measurement solutions with unsurpassed support to optimize process performance and product quality. Our high-performance gauges measure wire and cable diameter, ovality, insulation thickness, eccentricity, surface flaws, and defects. Our applications and support teams are skilled and motivated to provide wire and cable customers with the highest levels of personal support. This is backed by an industry-leading 4-year warranty on products manufactured in our factory. We developed a unique, adaptable, open architecture software called TotalView for process visualization, allowing our instruments and those of other vendors to be connected via a variety of gauge interfaces for full product and process monitoring, display, control, and reporting. Just imagine what TotalView can do to enhance and improve your wire and cable production environment. TotalView provides a platform for reliable production insight, enabling you to shorten startup cycles, reduce scrap, optimize material usage, and increase production efficiency to improve your process yield, all while accurately inspecting product quality and generating digital SPC reports with FFT and SRL analysis. We also provide a gateway to enable Industry 4.0 for data aggregation and sharing. LaserLinc wire and cable applications include high-speed measurement, performance tracking, and feedback control with shrinkage compensation, leading to real-time improvements for your process. We can adapt to most production line gauging requirements. We can interface and utilize your existing wire and cable production line devices. FlawSense is an innovative surface flaw detection system and is the only system that can both detect defects, including slits, cracks, pits, bumps, blisters, lumps, scratches, and neck downs, while also accurately measuring the cable diameter. FlawSense is the only surface flaw detection system with automatic 3D playback, providing fully digital flaw logging and categorization. LaserLinc has developed a specialized THHN version of the popular in-process UltraGauge Plus system, which accurately measures both insulation layers simultaneously on a THHN tandem or co-extrusion line, providing real-time visualization of the production process. Due to the high volume of THHN production, this innovation has an ROI of months, not years. In addition to in-process measurement and control systems that measure dynamic wire and cable products, LaserLinc also provides a comprehensive range of offline manual and automated sample measurement metrology and QC inspection systems. LaserLinc is committed to your success, and that means being here when you need us.